If you've been anywhere online lately, you've probably heard about collagen to improve your health and beauty. But did you know that there are different sources of collagen and that some sources are better than others? In this video, I will give you 5 reasons that marine collagen is better than bovine collagen. I'm Michelle Prather, exercise therapist and natural health enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. If you stick around to the end, you're going to get a chance to download my exercise guide that will help you boost your metabolism naturally. I've been teaching about exercise for 25 years and natural health for the last 7. After experiencing the journey of having 4 kids in 3.5 years and currently raising them as teens, I'm super passionate about helping moms who struggle with energy, weight loss, yo-yo dieting, and time management to be their best self again. So let's talk about collagen. Did you know that 30% of our body is collagen and that it is the most abundant protein in our body? It is a key component of connective tissues that makes up tendons, ligaments, skin, and muscles. Collagen supplements are popular because of how well they support overall well-being at the cellular level, and results are glowing skin, glossy hair, strong muscles, and healthy joints. But not all collagens are created equal. The first reason that marine collagen is better than bovine collagen is its superior bioavailability. The smaller molecular size results in 1.5% more bioavailability than bovine collagen. And that smaller molecular size also means it dissolves better in water, so no yucky clumps. The second reason for marine collagen being better than bovine collagen is that it creates building blocks for all types of collagen. You may not know this, but there are 28 known types of collagen in the body. Most collagen supplements out there have 1 to 2 types of collagen in them. If you've started researching this popular supplement, you've probably seen the term hydrolyzed collagen. This means that the collagen has been pre-digested by enzymes into small tripeptide fragments for optimal absorption. But what this also means is that the body can use these as building blocks for all types of collagen in the body, not just 1 or 2 types. If you're taking collagen or thinking about taking collagen, what results are you hoping to achieve? Tell me in the comments below. The third reason I like marine collagen is because it's vegetarian. Depending on your preferences, many vegetarians still partake in fish as a food source. If that is you, marine collagen can fit well into your nutrition plan. It is important to note that there are no real sources of collagen from plants despite the advertising out there. Having said that, your body produces collagens, so there are plant products that can provide some of these key building blocks, but research in this area is limited. The fourth reason marine collagen is better than bovine collagen is related to environmental impact. Bovine collagen comes from a byproduct of processing a cow's hide and bones. The cows are farmed and then brought to a slaughterhouse where these byproducts are boiled in large amounts of water. The carbon footprint for these types of operations is generally large, and there is a possibility of exposure to antibiotics and hormones. Marine collagen comes from the scales and bones of wild-caught fish. The fish skin is washed and then hydrolyzed by enzymes called proteases to break it down into the tripeptide fragments I talked about earlier, which dramatically increase absorption. The fifth reason marine collagen is better than bovine collagen is it's more sustainable. While there are already many uses for bovine byproducts such as gelatin, dog food, and the leather industry, previously there had been no use for the 11.2 million pounds of fish bones, skins, and scales left over from catching wild fish for food. If you're looking for a highly absorbable, environmentally friendly, sustainably sourced collagen that is vegetarian and provides not only 1 to 2 types of collagen, but the building blocks for all the collagens in your body, marine collagen is your answer. As promised, click on the link below for my free exercise guide. You'll find an easy and effective way to exercise in less than 10 minutes a day. I know time is short when you're a busy mom, but doing this exercise program just 3 times a week will help you move in the direction of your goals. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up too. Hit the bell and you can be notified every time I upload a new video.